Hey team, I'm Stuart Taylor from Influential PMO and I'm here to support the project community. Today I received an email from one of my viewers who was asking a question about which project management certification they should study for. I tend to get this question a lot, usually via email, but I thought, what the hell, make a video, tell everybody. The truth is, whether you decide on PMP, PMI, Prince 2, APM, whatever, it doesn't really make that much difference. You'll still learn roughly the same kind of curriculum, the same kind of terms. It's all quite transferable between the different certifications. There's not that much difference. Anybody who's studied one of the certifications can understand somebody from another one. There might be some minor variations in the definitions that are used, but that's about it. What's more useful and more important to you is to find out what's required in your job market. So I'm based in the UK, and I know if I do a job search looking for keywords such as project manager and Prince 2, I'll get a better response than project manager and PMI. There's just more jobs being sought with those keywords. But that varies from region to region, so it's really important to do your own research on this. So go to your most popular job sites for your region, do a search for project manager jobs, and have a look and see what qualifications are being sought. This applies even if you're not looking for a job somewhere else. By doing this research, you'll understand what skills and what certification is relevant in your area, and that will just help you in your occupation at your current employer. It wouldn't hurt either to make contact with some of the recruiters who are advertising in your area. Send them a copy of your CV and ask them what kind of things you can do, what skills you can learn that can enhance it and make you more marketable in the current market. Don't worry about wasting their time. They probably won't appreciate me saying this, but they're always looking to build their networks, and okay, you might not be ready right now, but if in 6 months down the road you've picked up a qualification off the back of their advice and you're more marketable, you'll be of interest to them and you'll already have a relationship, which makes this a win-win. So that's great for both of you. So take a look at the job market in your area, talk to recruiters, and if they say Prince 2, it's Prince 2. If they say PMI, it's PMI, and so on. And one last thing, and I'm probably going to get hate mail for saying this, but I've never seen anybody asking for the management of risk certification. So don't waste your money. Study something else, something fun. Anyway, I hope this was useful. Give the video a like, and I'll see you next time.